Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Claude AI account. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to any of the search engine and simply search for Claude sign up. And then you're going to head over to the official Claude website, that is claude.ai. And you'll be redirected to an interface that would say think fast, build faster. And here you'll be able to see two options. One is continue with Google and other is enter your email. And you can also download the desktop app. So right now, let's go with the web interface. So you can either simply click on continue with Google or continue with email. I'm going to go with continue with Google. So in this case, you don't really have to type down your password. You can simply log in using your Google account and your account will be created. That means that your Claude account will be linked with your Google account. After that, you're going to allow the access of your name, profile picture, and email address. Click on continue, and then you'll be asked to review a few things. First, you need to agree to Anthropic's consumer terms and acceptable policy and confirm that you're at least 18 years of age. Click on create account, and then you're going to type down your phone number and verify. You can also use a different email if you're not fine with this one. Once done, you'll be redirected to an interface that would look something like this. So here you'll be able to see the prompt box, and you can enjoy using Claude. So that was basically how you can sign up in Claude. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.